Welcome to Tech Leveler, where I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. So what you first want to do is make sure that you actually have a SIM card inserted into the phone. Now once you've inserted the SIM card, you want to come over to the iPhone settings that you'll find here on the home screen. And then you want to come to this mobile data, or it may be called cellular on your iPhone. Or alternatively, you can swipe down and come to phone. And then you want to tap into the phone. And then you'll see near to the bottom of your iPhone screen here, Wi-Fi calling. You want to tap into this. As you can see, it's currently off. And now you want to tap on this Wi-Fi calling on this phone. As it's currently greyed out, you want to tap onto this and this will turn it green. You'll get this pop-up saying enabling Wi-Fi calling. You want to read all this and make sure you're happy with it. And if you are, you want to click enable. And now Wi-Fi calling will be enabled. So that's how you enable it on your iPhone. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.